Happy Monday, everyone. I want to explain how we're going to do our spelling words and how we're going to find the definitions for these spelling words. I have provided a web link or a website to go to, which is right here. It says HTTPS and it starts that way. I will provide it every single time. We're just going to click on it once and it's going to open up a tab. This is one tab and this is the second tab. This is where you're going to get your definitions from. Well, I'm going to go right back to my first tab where it's my homework, and I want you to look. On Friday, we actually had to do ABC order, and this is the correct ABC order. So for those of you who are wondering if you did it correctly or not, I did leave some comments to some of you, and others you received your credit because you did everything correctly. But in case you need to just refer and you need to double check, here is the ABC order that we completed for homework on Friday. You're going to look up this first word, which is belief, and you're going to write the definition here next to number 1. So we're going to go back to our tab where it says Free Online English Dictionary, and under Word Explorer Children's Dictionary, we're going to type in belief, B-E-L-I-E-F, and then we're going to select Go. Once we go to Go, we have a lot of different options. We have a definition 1, definition 2, and a definition 3. We're going to select which one makes better sense to us and which one you want to use. I want to use all of them, so I'm going to write them all, and I'm going to write a strong opinion. And then there's trust in a person, thing, or idea. So trust in a person, place, or idea. And I believe there's one more, so we're going to go back to the second tab, and then an idea accepted as true. Okay, so an idea that's accepted as true. So now I have all 3 definitions, and it's going to help me a hint for next homework assignments that are going to be assigned the next following days. Okay, so I'm done with this word. I'm going to look at breathe. Breathe is my next word, so I'm going to go back to the tab, and I'm going to scroll up, erase belief next to the World Explorer Children's Dictionary, and I'm going to write breathe. I'm going to select Go, and once again, I'm going to look at the definitions. Definition 1, to draw air into the lungs and let it out. Definition 2, to whisper. So I'm going to write them both. I'm going to go back. So, to draw air in the lungs. And I'm going to double check I'm writing this correctly. Oh, and let it out. See, I forgot something. And let it out. I know I'm typing a lot faster than most of you, and that's okay. I've had plenty of practice with Typing Club. Remember, we still have to do Typing Club, and you will be even faster than how I type. I know you will. And then I'm going to look for the next definition, 2, and it's to whisper, so I'm going to write to whisper. Then I'm going to go to the next one. My next example is chief, so I'm going to select the tab. I'm going to erase breathe. Breathe. And then I'm going to write chief, if I can spell it correctly. Remember, make sure you're spelling it correctly, because if not, you're not going to find the correct word. And then you're going to select Go, and it gives me one definition here, then another 1 and 2, but the reason why it's separated is because the part of speech is a noun, and the other 2, they're adjectives, so it's to describe something. Okay, I'm going to use the noun, and you could put, which would help if you were to write noun and then a definition. But I think that's too much for right now, so I just would rather you just focus on the first definition, so the most powerful or important person in a group. Okay? The most powerful or most important person in a group. Period. And you're going to continue doing it to with all these spelling words all the way until zebra. You're going to finish all of this. And once you're done, you're going to submit the assignment. Remember, this is due at 8:30 at night, tonight. So please make sure you are working on this and doing the best you can to get this done. Thank you.